Today I'm going to go over all my beer brewing equipment. It's a really basic, easy setup. I got everything basically on Amazon. That's where I buy almost all my stuff. Amazon, Walmart. But I'll have links below in the description. They are affiliate links, so if you click on them, I'll get like a point of a percent if you end up buying anything. I'm going to go over my mash tun first. So I have my mash tun here, which I made out of cooler. You can get on Amazon or Walmart, wherever you want. It'll probably cost you like 30 bucks, 25, 30 bucks if you get a good deal. And what I did was I modified it. I used a stainless steel refrigerator line, and you just cut off both ends, slip the inner tubing out. You got to make sure it's stainless. And then I put this copper valve with a hose bib on this side and a washer on this side and a bib on this side so I can attach this stainless refrigerator line to it. This acts as a filter, and you just let it sit in there. You don't want to crush it or anything, but I'll probably end up doing a tutorial on this, how to make one. It's super easy, and it's a great way to go. It saves you a ton of money by making your own. Well, not a ton of money, but it saves you money. And if you like to do it yourself, this is a good way to go. And I got my kettle here, which I just got for like, I don't know, 50 bucks on Amazon. It's a 10 gallon, it holds 10 gallons. I just cleaned it out. But you don't want to buy a 5-gallon kettle if you're going to do 5-gallon batches. You want at least 6 or higher, because you're going to have boil over and you need room to boil. So make sure you get a bigger than 5 gallons if you're going to do 5-gallon batches. This one works perfectly. I love this one. And if it comes with a lid, that's even better. And then the other thing you need is a burner. Simple propane burner like this. Same thing, get it at Walmart, get it at Amazon. The higher the BTUs, the better. And if you have natural gas, you can convert it to a natural gas burner instead of propane, and then that'll save you money. But I would get someone who knows what they're doing. I don't exactly know all about that stuff. My brother-in-law, he's an HVAC plumbing guy, so he converts them. He knows how to do it. So that's the equipment I use. It's really basic. I use a plastic bucket for a carboy. I also have glass carboys that I use. I like using glass. They're harder to clean. But I haven't noticed a difference. I used to swear by glass, that you should always use glass. And then I started using plastic, and I haven't really noticed a difference in the taste at all. Some people say it's easier to get contaminated if you're using plastic. I don't know if that's true. It might be if you're like scratching it and keeping it in a dirty area, but I don't have a problem with it. So this is my home brew setup. Super easy, super effective. These are the basics. There's a few things that you do need. I have a Wort Chiller, but I don't have it right now because it broke. You need a way to cool down the wort after you're done boiling. I also have a cane pump, a thermometer, and a hydrometer, and that's it. You can get away without a hydrometer, but if you want to know the alcohol content, you need a hydrometer. But I mean, you don't need one if you have a recipe and are following it. You'll still get beer and it'll still be good. You just won't know the alcohol content exactly. So that's about it. This is my super basic setup. I don't like getting too high tech and into pumps and all that stuff. You can if you like doing all that stuff. I don't. I like keeping it simple. So I just wanted to make this video and show you how easy it is to get into home brewing if you're a beginner. This cooler and all this probably cost me under $100. The burner and the pot probably cost me under $100. You're probably looking at $200, $250 to get started, bare minimum, and it's really easy to get into. So that's about it. I'll talk to you next time. Hopefully I'll be brewing something soon. If you saw my last video where my brew day went horribly wrong, I need to brew again and get my super cheap beer going. I've been known to get into the habit of making heavier and heavier beers, and then they end up costing me a fortune to make. They're really good, but I want a beer that I can drink on the beach all summer long. So that is my goal this winter, is to get a super light beer that is you can drink all day on the beach. So I'll see you next time.